Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Explorer oil change indicator. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, you'll need to press and release the setup button on your dashboard. Continue pressing this button until you see the Oil Life message displayed on your information screen. This initial step ensures you are in the correct menu to begin the reset process. Once you see the Oil Life message, press and hold the reset button. You'll notice the display change to something like Oil Life XXX% hold reset new. Keep holding that reset button down. It's important to maintain pressure until the message clearly indicates Oil Life set to 100%. This confirms that the system has successfully registered the Oil Life reset. After the display shows Oil Life set to 100%, you can release the reset button. To ensure the reset was successful, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off, then turn it back on. The oil change reminder light on your dashboard should now be off, indicating that the system has been properly reset. This completes the process, and your vehicle's Oil Life monitor is ready for its next cycle. Remember, performing regular oil changes is vital for maintaining your engine's health and extending its lifespan. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for specific service intervals and recommended oil types. Keeping up with routine maintenance can prevent costly repairs down the road. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as clean as your car runs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.